In this video, we will be looking at SANUPS LAN Interface Card for SANYO DENKI UPS products. Here, we will cover the LAN Interface Card installation, web tool connection setup process, monitoring and data download method, and UPS control function. With the LAN Interface Card installed in UPS unit, UPS status data can be monitored in real time through a standard PC web browser. UPS information such as input-output power level and battery status can be monitored easily. Monitored data can be downloaded for power supply analysis purposes. This data can be invaluable for understanding power consumption patterns and incoming power supply condition, identifying potential issues, and ensure the reliability of critical equipment. UPS setting modification can be done using LAN Interface Card. Control operations such as battery testing function and UPS output on-off is also possible. For the demonstration, we need the LAN Interface Card, SANYO DENKI Uninterruptable Power Supply Unit, UPS connection cable, which comes together with LAN Interface Card, LAN cable, and a PC. Before installation, make sure the UPS unit is stopped and power supply to the UPS is turned off. Locate the installation location for LAN Interface Card, which different for each UPS model. For E11B UPS model, the installation location is located at the back of UPS. Loosen the two screws and remove the option card cover. Insert the LAN interface card and secure it with the two screws removed from the cover. Connect the UPS connector cable between UPS port of LAN interface card side and card interface port of UPS side. Connect LAN cable to LAN port. And connect the other end to PC LAN port. Change PC IP address to enable connection with UPS LAN interface card. Make sure the IP address does not overlap with LAN interface card IP address. Turn on UPS power supply, and open any web browser from connected PC. Enter the LAN interface card IP address in the address bar of the web browser. Once connected to WebTool, enter account name and password, and click Login. The WebTool dashboard is displayed if account authentication is successful. From the dashboard, we can easily monitor power supply condition, such as input and output voltage, battery condition, UPS operation mode and status. For more details on the UPS status, click Status and Measurement from the main menu list at the left side. Here, the real-time measured value and status are displayed in detail. Click Download to download a week of measurement data which can be used for analysis. For statistical graphs, you can choose which measurement data that you want to view, type of report and date range of the data. The data can also be downloaded by clicking Download button. From Event Log page, you can monitor operational history, operational conditions, and power status of the UPS for maintenance purposes. Up to 1,000 event logs are saved in the LAN Interface Card. By clicking Download, event log data can be downloaded too. The Web Tool Control has battery test and UPS output on-off function which can be controlled from web browser. From Battery Test screen, click Execution to perform battery test function. Follow on-screen instruction and wait until the testing finish. After the battery test is complete, check the event log for the result. To switch off UPS power supply output, click UPS output on/off, then UPS output off. Click Execution to turn off the UPS output. You can check the UPS status from the top right-hand corner of the screen, event log screen, or dashboard screen. To turn on UPS power supply output, click UPS output on/off, then UPS output on. Click Execution, and confirm the UPS status from event log or dashboard screen. Click the icon on the top right corner, and click Log Out to disconnect from WebTool.